Today I want to give you the first look at the New.Space iOS app. We recently launched the public beta of New.Space, where anyone can go to the site to instantly spin up a new space to start sharing. It's been amazing seeing all the comments and articles written about how easy it is, and we're super excited to have it out there. In today's video though, I'm going to show you what the iOS app looks like, how to get the test flight beta, and a glimpse into what comes next. Let's get into it. At first glance, New.Space for iPhone looks similar to how it does on the web. In fact, they sync in real time. I've got the space open in both places here, and if I add a reaction on one, it'll instantly sync to the other. Your items are shown in a grid here, and you can tap on the items to see their details. It's very snappy, and I love the animations the team has created for browsing between the items. Look how smooth they are. But let's look at some of the new stuff. With the introduction of New.Space for iOS, you can not only view and work in an individual space, but you can also see all your spaces and manage them in an overview here. Just tap a space to instantly jump between them. This is great, but it gets even better. For your most important spaces, you can pin them to the top here, which will expand the card a little bit and will show a few of the latest items and a small peek into the space. It's pretty nice. On the iPhone, we also have more options to deliver a higher quality experience when you want to add something to a space. In principle, it works the same as New.Space. Just hit the plus button to see the add sheet. But from here, you can select the recent photos or create a space directly. Let's add a photo. From this overview, we can decide where it'll go. There's something else that's really great here that I want to show you. In this space, there's a card of a website. It's this article I want to read later. By tapping on it, I can open it up and view it right here within the app. This is simply fantastic. Okay, just one more neat thing that I want to show off here. The team has done an incredible job creating a seamless experience for not only sharing, but also viewing your content. When viewing a long document or a video, it can be annoying when you return to it to see your progress reset. It doesn't always feel good. With New.Space for iOS, you can browse between items without losing your space. It's really nice. Already here you can see a lot of little features that just level up the experience. But I've rambled a bit and we need to get to the important stuff. How do you get access to the beta? Well, we'll be rolling out access to the test flight to members of our Substack community. If you're already a member, just hang tight. If you've not yet subscribed, you can head to shareup.world and sign up there. We'll be in touch really soon. This has just been a breeze through of the iOS app. There's lots of things we haven't gotten into yet. Keen-eyed viewers might have seen a today view. There was a share sheet that we haven't fully explored yet. And there's lots of gems that I'm really excited to uncover and share with you. Till then, we'd love to hear about your experience with New.Space. Do you like it? Have you encountered any bugs or anything that you wish it would do that it doesn't yet do? We'd love to hear all of this. Let us know in the comments. And until next time, happy sharing.